Essay Courtesy. A man without courtesy is like an animal in the human body. Courtesy means gentle behavior in dealing with people in our day to day life. It is an act of civility and good manners. Courtesy is a great virtue in a man's life. Courtesy demands one to be modest, tasteful, and decent in his talking and behaving with others. Courtesy is a talent for treating others with warmth and respect. It means dignity to people by being considerate, responsive, and kind while dealing with others. Besides, our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us love, kindness, and compassion and was seen to be the most courteous and loving of all of them. Courtesy costs nothing but pays a lot in return. A courteous person is loved and liked by everyone. This type of person remains popular among his friends and relatives, and everybody has willingness to help him in his time of need. These well behaved, courteous people are the foundation of a good society and nation. But these days, the number of these types of people is less. That's why our society is suffering a lot from antisocial activities. Most of the people whom we come across every day are generally arrogant, impatient, and self centered. They neither love others nor are loved by any of them. Elders, seniors, teachers, and parents have a big role to make our society and nation courteous and well behaved by imparting and building the parameters of good behavior and courtesy in younger, subordinate, and children respectively. At the time of receiving a relative, you should use polite words and avoid any negative comments about the forefront, which will drag him to an uneasy state. We should showcase ourselves with cheers and a warm welcome. If we are having tea or food and somebody comes during that time, then we must ask him to have the same thing which is being eaten by us at that time. In short, we can say that a courteous person always becomes successful. Courtesy improves your relationship with others, makes you more popular, and helps you get what you want. As it is said, courtesy will open doors that the best education cannot.